All right, what is going on, guys? Today is Wednesday, November 27th, the day before Thanksgiving. And today was kind of a weird day. There was a ton of opportunity in the market, but I didn't capitalize great, and I'll kind of go into that in just a second. I want to pull up news. I had to redo this because, I don't know, something got whack, but we had 8:30 news. Here we are, Wednesday, the 27th. Um, yeah, we had unemployment claims. So we're kind of just waiting for news to come out and then waiting 15 minutes or so and then seeing if opportunity was there. Um, there, now it works. Switch over. Let's do the top down real quick. I've already done this, but we'll just speed run it. Right, bullish, taking high, rebalance to order block, weekly order block, daily fair value gaps, and then a 4 hour down here. And then we come back up kind of slowly, little like consolidation up into this daily, I can kind of get rid of that one, but into this daily and fill this daily, 4 hour, come down. We have this SMT up here. I'm not going to show you just because, or fine, I guess I will. But you can just trust me, go back in your charts and see it, but I'll just do it just because. Where are we at? Up here, see we took this high at 8:30 and then this high. I don't know why that says 6, but that's the same high. Yeah. They're 9:30, I guess. And then 15-minute 9:30, same high. And then what we do here is we kind of just we also took this high. So we're kind of just, and then you see how we're kind of just making lows now, and then that actually right here fills a 1 hour fair value gap right here. And then we come down here, we fill this 30-minute fair value gap right here, and then also these up close candles, consecutive up close candles on the 1 hour. So that's an order block right there. And you can kind of see the sell model. So I'm looking for shorts at this point, even though we've been bullish, and we're bullish long term and bullish here. We have this SMT. We're kind of seeing bull or bearish action. Now let me find market open. It's somewhere around here. Yeah. Whoops. So 8:30 is right here. And I think I kind of woke up late, but honestly, right here, I honestly kind of. I mean, let me see the 1 minute. It's just pretty choppy, but this looks pretty good for a trade. I want to see where we are on. Yes, yeah, we kind of, the only thing, we didn't have much internal, but like 8:30, 43, 53, 43. I don't know if there was like an internal entry there. If we did something like this and created an SMT up there, like right at market open, and then seeing one of these, that would be a great entry right here, but it didn't happen. It was kind of just chopping. And then at wait, why is like, and then we kind of just, I don't know why I didn't, I think it was just I woke up kind of late, or I just woke up like during market open, and then I was charting, and I should have charted like before or waking up like 10 minutes earlier, but it just didn't happen. But then we kind of have these equal lows too, which is also more confluence that we want to go short. And then we get this, I was honestly looking for a sell, and then we kind of just got this huge candle down that took out this, and we created an SMT on ES. ES never took this low, or eventually it did, but it didn't at the time. And then we see this, this push down, we fill this 1 minute fair value gap right here, and then we kind of just come down, and I did take a little short there, but I just didn't like, I didn't like what we had at the time. I just didn't like the risk because as you can see, like this huge fair value gap, they're just like having your risk way up here would not be prime. So I kind of just exited like shortly after, like when we made this SMT, and then I waited a little longer, and then you can see on this 5 minute, there's actually a 5 minute right here, or it's a 5 minute right here, and then it's also or never mind. Oh, I think it's a 3 minute, yeah. And then it's a 3 minute right here, which is where I went short, just kind of off this soup and that last high, and then I just made my stop real tight right there. And then my mistake here is I had one limit for this low. I didn't actually hold all of this. I had my first stop right here, and then we just quickly created an SMT. And since this was already taken too, this high right here, or this low right here was already taken, we had an SMT. Because this was like another reason why I took this trade is because we had this like equal low right here too. So I kind of just took what I was given, had my stop here, and then we created SMT, and then also an SMT right here. So I was thinking to myself, and then I seen this push back up, and I just took off my second contract. And I'm not sure, because the reason I really wasn't like I'm not too mad at that is because, I mean, as you can see, we have this bullish structure that's been going on for a while. But I guess I could have seen how we're turning bearish more longer term. I don't know, because like this, I could easily see this taking out this low, and then just hitting a move back up, and then like that, because once again we have this SMT in place now on ES. We never took that, and then just following this action of not taking out lows, taking out a low here, and just hopping right back up. So I don't know if that's a little hindsight. The only thing is, again, we're in this daily fair value gap, and then we created the SMT, and then we're spooling bearish action. But I would have loved to hold another contract to maybe like here. That would have been great, but I just didn't do it, and that's okay. I'm fine with small wins. And I'm kind of glad I didn't, like, there was more. I guess there was a little bit more opportunity later. You can see there's a 5 minute here that just got tapped, and then we kept on going down. But I'm just not a huge fan of these type of trades because we're just so low. And usually we do keep on going. Like more than you think, honestly. Like, see this huge move down. And eventually we hit this low, which also had a 15-minute fair value gap underneath it. And this was kind of the other opportunity in the chart or in the day. We had, I mean, there's no really internal market. I kind of started watching around here. Taking this soup, I'm not a fan of that. And then what else I would be looking for is kind of an inverse of a bigger PD array. And again, there's just not much here. Like, it's just kind of choppy action. And after that huge move down, I'm just not really looking at anything else. And yeah, I don't really see anything. Maybe this right here. Breaker structure, and then this 5 minute. But I don't think I was watching here. And I want to see if there's conflicting there's this. Does that get hit first? See, there's that like 30-minute that we were in. So yeah, that 30-minute got tapped before, which is another reason. I just don't really like anything after this huge move down besides a soup and then maybe like a 5-minute inverse. But again, it was just choppy here. There wasn't really much. And then we get this slow run up. And then after, I was also looking at this 5-minute. Yeah, that 5-minute. And then it's also like a 15-minute here. But there's just not much internal model. And then I was kind of looking for a sweep here as well. And then like a pullback into a fair value gap, but it just didn't happen. Like, let's see. Like this, I would have taken that trade. Possibly. Actually, honestly, I don't know if I would. Yeah, I honestly don't like anything there as well. Just because like there's no break of structure here, and even if we did have this break of structure and then a pullback into a fair value gap, I honestly don't like it because this right here. This already moved down, and this move that takes out this, I don't know. After this huge move right here, I'm kind of just hands off. What I could have done better today is woken up early and seen this initial, because this looks pretty good. Although there was no internal, this looks pretty good. As well as I wish I would have left a contract for a low down here. Like I said, it could be a little bit of, what's it called, hindsight. But this looks like a really good sell model, and I should have known that, or I shouldn't have even, not that I should have known, but I should have just left the contract, just because usually like what happens is I like how like we open up, like this is where our open is, and then after that it's just a sell. And I can kind of show you on like a 15-minute, when you get Asia that gets left, London that gets left, and then New York that gets left, it's just almost always like just a sell model, like the whole day, and then like a retracement up slowly. See how like clean that is? And then we retrace back to equilibrium, and then we kind of just chop rest of the day. Unlike, I don't know, what's another example? Unlike when we open, see how we open right here, again we open up and then we close down. This one retraced way back up though, but I'm trying to find a different example where we close down and open up. There's not really one. Oh, we kind of like open. Wait, where's that open? There's the open up, close down, open up, close down, open down, close up. I don't know. Just kind of something I've been noticing. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for today. Tomorrow there'll be no trading because it's Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, y'all. And yeah, that's it on the account. Up like 150 today. And up $700 on the account. So back to half of what I had initially before that terrible losing streak, which is good. I mean, we're taking small wins. I'm not mad about it, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I might do a charting session before or like Thursday night for Friday if I do trade Friday. I'm not sure if I'm gonna just because day after Thanksgiving. But that's it for today. Drop any comments, any questions you guys have, and drop a like if you enjoyed the charting session. Yeah, until next time. Peace.